Hey there! When I first started gardening, I had absolutely no idea what I was doing. I killed plants, I ruined the recipes, made plenty of mistakes. But year after year, I learned something that changed my life. These old fashioned skills aren't just about saving money or growing food, they're about confidence. They're about knowing you can provide for your family with your own two hands. That's why I created the Food Prude Academy, a place where ordinary people can learn practical skills that have been passed down from generation to generation. Whether you're harvesting herbs in containers, planting your first garden, baking sourdough, preserving your harvest, raising chickens, keeping bees, or dreaming of a full homestead, there's a place for you here. Inside the Food Prude Academy, I share what has worked for our family and just as importantly, what hasn't. Because real learning doesn't come from perfection, it comes from experience. You'll find step-by-step lessons, seasonal guidance, live Q&As, printable resources, full courses, and a community learning right alongside you. My hope is that every lesson helps you become a little more capable, a little more confident, and a little bit more that you know that you can do this. And as you grow, and a little more connected to the food you grow, the meals you prepare, and the life you're building. Because these skills aren't just for today, they're for your children, your grandchildren, and the generations that come after us. Welcome to Food Prude Academy. I'm Laura Lawrence, and I am glad that you are here learning old fashioned ways in a modern world.